Today we're going to be making fluffy slime. So,
I'm Aaliyah.
and I'm Shalyn. And the materials you're going to be needing are...
A bowl, water, and color.
You don't really need color, but it's optional. And you will need something to mix with, tie, activator, and glue. And shaving cream, but I'm going to put the shaving cream. It's like, it's over there, so I don't want to bring it over here. So, yeah, so you're going to want to get your bowl. I'll put the glue, and then you can put that, okay?
But how many?
Up like $5, right?
That's how old am I?
We're going to each have slime. So we're going to make it equally. And 5 dots, okay? 5 dots. 1,
2,
yeah, 3,
3,
4,
4, 5.
and then I'll mix, and then you'll pour a little bit of water, okay?
I can't pour a little bit of water.
Then I can just put the water, and then you pour it in, okay? Oh, look, see, actually this purple looks really nice.
Yeah. Not that purple.
We have this other purple that we were going to use, but it's metallic, and you actually need clear glue for metallic slime.
So we're using this purple, light purple.
And I'm going to go get the shaving cream on here, okay?
I won't do
matter how much
nothing.
shaving cream. It matters. Like, you can put, like, the more you put, the more fluffy it is. Shaving cream.
The shaving cream's in the bathroom.
Yeah, up there. So I went upstairs and got it. So this is how much shaving cream. You get to mix the shaving cream. Taking turns, just mix it down there. Don't let it get out of the plate. Hold it pretty.
This looks very fluffy.
Want me to help you?
Yeah.
Mix the...
My head hurts.
Why?
Cause there's a spider in my head.
Spider? How is there a spider in your head?
Me voy a quedar aquí hoy. Aquí están mis pantuflas. No me sienta.
So, you can mix this a little bit of, this little bit of, that little bit of shaving cream. Huh? No, just talking to you.
Huh?
Over like a few minutes.
Mi papi.
Okay, so keep mixing. Yeah, you just let me try to get the shaving cream down there. I don't want to get the glue and the food coloring on because food coloring stains and glue is so
Oh,
sticky.
that's our grandma.
Okay, so Ollie, I'm gonna get you the water on the cap so you can just pour the water in.
Oh, it's dripping.
Just get it. Just don't get it. I'll pick it up. I'll pick it up later. We're gonna pour 3 of these. So pour 1 pat in. Pour 1 already. And then I'll mix that. And then when I pour it, I'll mix it. Okay?
Okay.
fully. Whoa, that's dripping. I'll clean that later. After this. Okay. The last one.
Yeah. 3 drips. She said 3. So we did 1, 2. Now we're gonna do 3.
Here you go. Here we go.
Next.
I get mix it. Yeah, you were right in the spoon.
It's gonna be fluffy when you play with it, right, Julie?
Yep.
I'm having a sleepover today.
You can mix it.
Huh?
No, you can mix it. No, dang it. It got on it. Hold up. Just let me get a napkin. Just keep mixing it, okay? Talk to them, will you?
We need to mix really fast.
Got a napkin. Just let me clean that up. You're not dirty? Got water on you?
Mhm.
It's okay, we can clean it later.
My hands.
No, thought I got some on me. Okay. Okay, so we keep mixing and I'll get the tie ready. You can use any detergent, not any, but Tide is probably one of the best ones.
Done?
And I'll pour a little bit of this, and you will mix. Mix. You want to pour a little bit at a time, because if you pour a lot
It looks
of
blue.
Tide,
It looks blue when you add it in.
yeah, and if you add a lot of Tide, then it will like be really hard when you like finish mixing it all. It'll be really hard. Mix it a little more. Let me add a little.
It already dropped in.
Here's the water. Here's where's the napkin. Oh yeah, the water. I forgot this water here. Where did I drop it? Oh. I feel like we need to add a little more purple.
Yeah.
Don't you think it's like a little too light? Oh, there. I'm gonna add like,
Little.
help me draw a heart. No, 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 that's not a heart. That's a circle. Just keep mixing it like you were mixing the other time.
Looks a little black. It looks horrible.
Let me help you. That's how it is in the beginning. But then you mix it all in together.
My nails are gray.
When did you paint them?
My mom painted them. Well, I painted them the other day.
I painted hers the other day for the Christmas party. Okay. Okay, so you can put a little more.
Oh my god. I need to steam because I'm going to keep doing the nails.
Keep moving this over there. Keep coming back. Maybe I keep coming over here. I don't know. I'm gonna help you mix a little, and you can pour some in.
Yeah.
So I'll tell you how much to pour in.
Oh my god.
So if you pour a lot, then that'll be so bad. Yeah. I need it after you're done. So I'm gonna clean this up.
I'm going to get my napkin.
Probably up there. When you get it, we'll come right back. Over. Not too much. So call me tomorrow how you
My sister is getting
Say comment down below. Say comment down below how your day was.
comment down below how your day was.
Okay, here you go. This is the dirty one. Okay. This is a little. So we're yeah.
I was good for the princess carriage. What is that? I mean grammar in Spanish.
Get a little more. Ooh, pour a little more. Yeah.
Do you make a good slime?
Well, I won't say I'm the best, but sometimes I make good sounds.
More. Yeah.
So you want to stop. Probably the funnest part about making. Well, my funnest part
Well, I'm
for
her
me
little sister.
for making slime is playing with them. That's my favorite part. What's your favorite part about slime?
Playing with it.
Sometimes my favorite part's like mixing it. It's pretty fun.
And
to-
sometimes my favorite part is putting in the
containers or
water.
Okay, I want you to add
No, my favorite time is putting this in.
tie.
Yeah,
Put a
tie.
little more. Oh my god. The,
Oh my goodness.
the slime keeps on going down.
A little bit more.
It's like annoying now. Yeah. A little too much.
I'll do this.
Our dog is Morphe.
Yeah. My favorite princess is Ariel, so I have an Ariel shirt on.
Ya te llamas tu perra.
I don't know.
It's funny when she says, I don't know. It's funny when she says that. Well, today I rode the princess carriage with my sister Isabella.
Baby.
Yeah, baby.
Our baby.
And she's asleep.
Is your mama? Is mama here?
Yeah, mama home.
See, is Navi outside? Is it nothing? I don't know. I took Aaliyah's job.
No, that's Jingo.
He's barking?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god, am I son getting here? Okay, never mind. Dingo's barking. He's barking over there. But Snowy's like outside, I think. I don't know. Come on. I'm gonna steal your job.
Hmm?
I'm gonna steal your job. Well, I really did it. Added a little. Okay, I need to add a little more. No, I want this part to be mine. Oh. Yeah, yeah. I feel like Snowy's in the porch. I feel like Snowy's in the porch. And the messiest part
In the porch,
is like blames it when it's really.
well, I have these on. These are the ones that I go to sleep with. No, these are the ones that I
I
go to
always
sleep
do
with.
this.
Can I touch?
It's too sticky still.
I'm gonna try to get off by the table.
You know you can get off.
I can. Oh, let me see if I can get off by the table. You want me to see if I can get off the table? Oh, I can. Can I get on the table?
No. Tables for eating. Okay, I'm gonna start your job.
Ay, good.
It's almost done.
One more time.
There's probably like one more, like probably like 1 or 3 more ties, and then it's good.
Did Jackson?
No, that's it. I added 1 time. I never said stop. I only added 2 dots. Yeah. Too much. And if you add too much, you can just pull it out. Okay.
Yeah. Go peanuts.
So yeah, can you hold the bowl and I'll mix it?
Go
It's
peanuts.
hitting too hard.
I go peanuts.
Yeah, hold it hard.
Okay.
Hard. Get off the table.
Okay. My hands are sticky already.
So add a little more. God, that's like purple is still on the thing. There. Still too much. Not too much, Aaliyah. You had it too fast. Okay, I don't know. I think it's time for me to mix with the hand. Well, I always mix it with my hand. It's pretty sticky. So I don't mess with the. Oh, look at off the table. She just loves the table.
Yeah, I do. Okay, bye-bye. I'm going downstairs.
You're already downstairs.
No, I'm not. I'm upstairs.
Okay. Yeah, move.
Okay, I'm going upstairs.
We're not even upstairs. We're downstairs.
No, I'm upstairs. It's downstairs. In our kitchen. I'm so hungry right now. I'm gonna go get something to eat.
Later, we after we're done doing the video. Okay. I didn't get all of it out, but some of it. Pour a little more in here, so you can mix the rest of the slime in. And I'll pour a little more in here because it's too sticky. This is what I like to do. When I get tied, I mix it with the slime, and I go, just poke it. Here's how this part turned out. Very clicky.
My favorite part is playing with it and adding
Time.
time.
My favorite part of slime is playing with it, of course, and like poking it.
My favorite part, no, that's not my favorite part.
And I actually
My
like
favorite part is
pouring.
poking it and
My favorite
playing
part
with it.
is all of it.
Yeah, my favorite part is all of it too.
Because like all the steps are really fun to me.
Yeah. I like mixing, poking.
Helping others. You did not get that in my hair, did you?
No.
Oh. this is all that came out. Not that much more. So what I'm gonna do is still very sticky though. I just play with it fast. Okay, that's all that came out. So, ow!
This is stuck into my belly. What are you doing with it?
Okay, hold on. Aaliyah, don't let it drop down. You're letting it go everywhere. You didn't add a lot of time on that. Well, you added like a very little bit. That's why I told you. Put Tide. What, did he put Tide? I don't know. No?
You put a time.
I'm putting Tide on this.
Mami,
Huh?
dile a tu mamá si no tiene tantito consomeres que se le pone la carne al puerco, dile.
¿Qué le ponen la?
Sí, de ese, a ponerle la carne al puerco. Sazonador, dile.
Come back.
This is going on in there. Okay, I'm getting in the middle now. I'm out. Bye. Bye.
Ya, chichiconochi, chichito manco.
Isabel,
Au.
eso es el sabor, ¿verdad?
Sazonador.
¿Ven?
Sazonador. Para ponerle la carne de puerco.
Sazonador. ¿Quién es ese? ¿Es tuyo?
¡Eh!
Ven acá.
Sazonador, mami.
Ven, pero dice cuál.
Cochinos.
¿Ellos están cochinos?
Yes.
¿Por qué?
Porque están tirando pedos los nasties. Eso no. Ven.
¿Quiere? ¡Esa es mi abuelita!
Sí, mami. Sí, está bien este. Ya nada más llévalo. No, ese quería. Ya, llévalo mejor. Gracias.
Take this one. Sorry, okay. Grandma wanted something, and my mom, she didn't know what it was. She didn't know what to say it. So, this is how the slime turned out. Just gonna add a little more time. It's a little too sticky. Woo, I go up there, one down here, one up there, one down here. Okay. I need Aaliyah to get back, so we can. Let me go get the little cups so we can separate them. So, 2 cups. subscribe, and hit that bell so you can see our YouTube videos.
Yep.
Bye,
See your
guys.
YouTube videos. Bye, guys. I love you.